Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mathal. Today I'm gonna show you how to factor completely by grouping. So here is a couple of example I have taken and I'm gonna solve these examples, and same way you can solve other problems by grouping, factor completely. So let's get started. So we have first problem over here. We have first problem 2ab minus 3a minus 10b plus 15. So how we factor this? It's a factor by grouping, right? We have to group the factors. So let's say we have a terms over here, we have a terms here. We don't have any a terms. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna group these two terms together because both has a, right? Now we have b over here, we have b over here. We can group the same number twice. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to group these two together, right? So let's see what's we're gonna come with. So now if we group this one, we have to see the common terms in these two numbers or terms. We have to find the common numbers or common terms. So what is our common? One is a, right? So we take out the a as a common. What we have left? We have 2b, right, minus 3. Now out of these two, what is our common? So if we don't know what are our common numbers, so we have to find the factors. So 10 has 1 10, right, and 2 5, right? So the same way as 15 has factor number 1 15 3 and 5. Now out of 10, so we can have 2 and 5, right? And we have common in 15, we have 3 and 5. So out of these two, we have 5 as common, right? So we have taken as negative 5. So we take negative 5 common. Now we have left, we have 2b, and we have taken negative, so it's gonna become negative plus become negative, and we have left what? 3. Now if we see in this, we have 2b minus 3 and 2b minus 3 both has same terms, so we can take out as common. So we have 2b minus 3 as common. Now what we have left, we have a, we can write a, we have minus 5, so you can write minus 5. So these are our final factor numbers. So these are complete factor, because after this we cannot factor more. So these are the final answer. Now let's see the another example. So how, like I said, we have to grouping first, then we have to find the factor, right? So let's see, we have 8x minus 2xy square minus 4 plus y square, right? So same way we have to figure out, like say we have x over here, we have x, we don't have x, so it's better to group these two terms and these two terms together, right? Now out of these two terms, what is our common number or common letter or some anything? So we have our common is what? 2, because 8 has number 2, so we can write 2, and other is x and x, so we can have x. So we have 2x as common. So what we have left? 4, right? Minus, now we have taken out the 2x, so we have left y square. Now out of this, we have anything common? No, so we have 1, so negative 1 as common take. So we have left what? Negative 1, so we have left 4. We take negative, so positive becomes negative, negative minus y square, right? Now out of these two, we have 4 minus y square. 4 minus y square is common, which is clearly, so we take out the 4 minus y square common, and where we left, we have left 2x over here, and in this minus 1. Now So this is not our final answer because it's not a complete factor. So we have to, like, say factor complete, we have to complete these factors because we cannot factor these terms, but we still factor this, right? So how are we going to factor this? Now, you see 4 minus y squared. So 4 is the square root of 2, like 2a square is 4, right? So we can write this as 2a square minus y square. We still have 2x minus 1, right? Right. Now, if we see it's a square minus b square form, that's why I have written the note here, a square minus b square form, right? So a square minus b square, you can write a plus b times a minus b, same. So over here you can see this is a, suppose this is b, you can write a square minus b square form. We're going to use this, right? This formula. So you can directly write, if it's in the form of a square minus b square, you can write a plus b times a minus b. Same over here, you can write a plus b. So our a is 2, so 2 plus b is y times a minus b, a is 2 minus b is y. And we still have 2x minus 1. Now, if we see, we cannot further factor this. Now we cannot further factor this. So that's why our final answer gonna be this, because this is a complete factor. So in this way, we can complete factor by grouping. I hope this videos help you, and please go and subscribe my channel and also hit the like button. Thank you.